how to add turbo or base turbo token to metamask. So first of all, make sure you are on the explainer website, and now open the turbo page and copy the token address. Now go to metamask from here and scroll down and click on token marketplace and click on token marketplace. They will redirect you to this marketplace or portfolio page of metamask. Now after that, from the sidebar, click on overview, and now as you can see, wait a few seconds, and now click on more. Now click on import token. Now from the network, make sure to choose the base network. As you can see, now here paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it and it will be imported to our as you can see, no account balance detected for this token. Now as you can see, because I don't have any any balance on it, I can't add it or import it to my metamask wallet. So for your in your case, you can now click on import token. Now in other way, you can click on custom token, and now as you can see, click on the base network from here. Now paste the token address you can see here. As you can see, this is the network, this is the token name, and as you can see, you can add custom token. And now as you can see, because I don't have any balance on it, I can't add it. For you, you can add it by clicking import token to add it to your wallet. So this is how to add the turbo token to metamask. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.